Can you grow short day onions in Southwest Virginia? Stick around.
Oh, hey, welcome home.
Cheers, everybody. Hope everybody's having a good day. Today we're talking onions. We're talking about intermediate day, short day, and long day. I'm in zone 7A, so I'm right in the intermediate day zone. So what I want to do is I want to do an experiment to see if I could grow short day onions and long day onions here in zone 7A. So right here, we've got short day onions. In the middle, we've got intermediate day onions. And over here, we've got long day onions. Started these inside under the grow light. We started them from seed back in mid-October. Started the intermediate day and the long day inside from seed a month later. Now here in zone 7A, daylight doesn't get to 12 hours until the middle of March. We also don't get to 14 hours until the middle of May. So hopefully these will start bulbing here pretty soon. Just to recap, short day onions need 12 hours of daylight before they start bulbing. Intermediate day 14, long day 16. Now I did cheat a little bit inside. I had these under the grow lights and cranked them up to 12 hours, probably about a month before putting them out here. So these right here have already started bulbing, and honestly, they're almost done. As you can see right here, these right here are probably about 4 inches in diameter. So the answer to the question is, can you grow short day onions in Southwest Virginia? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. But the conditions have to be correct. You have to let them start early enough to start the top growth, and then you also have to have enough sunlight to start the bulbing growth. So here, as you can see, these short day onions are really looking good. Now, we do have some that do not look so well or so big. We've also got some red ones in here, and this red one right here is actually bulbing really well. Obviously the red ones are not going to bulb as or get as big as the white ones, but here in zone 7A you most certainly can grow short day onions. So now the real question is, can I grow intermediate day onions and long day onions here in zone 7A? Now we really know that yes, we can grow intermediate day onions here in zone 7A. The reason I haven't had success before is I didn't start them early enough. I didn't understand that you had to start them back in November to get the tops to grow, to get as much leaves before the bulbing process started. I didn't understand that. So yes, we're going to have short day onions and intermediate day onions. So now the next test is going to be, here in zone 7A, can we have long day onions? I'm probably betting yes. It's going to be July before we get to 16 hours of sunlight here in zone 7A. But based upon what I saw last year, a little birdie's telling me that we can do these. These are all Vidalias, and I'll be honest with you, I can't remember what any of these are. There's about 7 different varieties here, but these long days are all Vidalias. And last year, by accident, I got baseball size onions of Vidalias. So I'm betting that we can, but we'll stick around and see what happens on this experiment. Now here are the intermediate day onions. Now this one here, you can see that the bulbing hasn't started. However, this one here's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 leaves, and that means there's going to be 11 rings around that onion, and the thickness of that stem is outrageous. So these are definitely going to bulb once it gets started with the right amount of daylight. And these over here are doing the same. There's all kinds of vegetation here on these long day onions. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I'm thoroughly enjoying this test. I really wanted to see which onions do better here because, you know, as you can see, I'm limited in space. Now, this right here is a 4x8 raised bed, and I did 9 per square foot. And if my math and my feet tell me correctly, there's probably over 200 or close to 200 onions in this bed. Now next year, I think I'm going to tone it down to maybe 4 or 5 per square foot. But I really wanted to know which variety gives me the best yield. And I think this experiment is going to be fantastic. So thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, please hit that like button. Please subscribe. Need all the help I can get. Share us with all your friends. If you really hate me, share me with all your enemies. I'll take anybody I can get. Y'all have a good day.